Hey, Bridgie Rose, are you camping with some kitties? So there is a lot of fluffy cats in that tent with you, man. Say hello, kitties. Are you having fun with those cats? Yeah? So they're a little different than your Duckies and Bella. They're settling down in there. Ooh, cat. Here, we can give him a treat. Here you go, buddy. They are not interested in their treats, Bridget Rose. Well, if you're allergic to cats, this would be the last place you'd want to be. Huh, Bridget?
Doggy.
Yeah, no, these aren't doggies. Kitty. Can you say cat? Meow, meow. Can you say meow? What do you think of those light bulbs, huh? Hey, where are you going? There's another one. What? What are the cats doing? Oh, did you want to go in there? Are you? Bridget? Oh, did you get a light bulb? Here we go. Do you have a bright idea? Whoa! How about those kitties? Are you gonna go nestle up next to one, Bridge? Huh? What do you think? Can you say meow? You're really intrigued with that light bulb, huh? Yeah. Uh-huh. What do you think about that? Hey, what do you think about that? And what do you think about that? And what do you think about that, Bridget? Question is, are they enjoying their time with you? We'll see. All right, Bridgie Rose, you want to say bye-bye? You finally got your light bulb fixed out. Bye-bye. Bye, Mr. Cat. Bye-bye.